Is your Android phone frozen and unresponsive? In this video, we'll cover the main causes and 12 quick fixes to get it working again. Part 1. What causes my Android phone to freeze? RAM. Too many apps. Storage full software dated. Malware viruses. Heat. Overheating. Hardware. Failing parts. Network. Poor connection. Processor low battery, low apps. Resource heavy. Where? Thing. Bugs. OS issues. Part 2. How to fix a frozen Android phone in 11 quick ways. Way 1. Reboot your phone. To fix a frozen phone, hold the power button to restart. If that doesn't work, hold power plus volume down to reboot. Way 2. Charge your device. Way 3. Close apps. Open the Settings app on your phone. Tap Apps, and then select See All Apps. Choose the app you want to stop. Tap Force Stop, and confirm by selecting OK. Way 4. Update apps. Access the Google Play Store. In the upper right corner, select the profile icon. From the menu, choose Manage Apps and Devices. In the Updates Available section, proceed to update either a specific application or all applications. Way 5. Uninstall apps. Open Settings and tap Apps. Select the problematic apps one by one. Tap Uninstall and confirm with OK. Way 6. Update Android. Navigate to Settings, System Software Update. Select Check for Updates. If an update is available, choose Download and Install. After the update is complete, restart your phone. Way 7. Enter recovery mode. Hold down the power button and volume up button simultaneously until the recovery mode menu appears. Use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to confirm your selection. If the option is available, choose Reboot System Now. Way 8. Clear App Cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Name, Storage, Clear Cache. Alternatively, go to Settings, Apps or Application Manager. Select the problematic app. Tap Storage and then Clear Cache. Way 9. Inspect storage space. Go to Settings, Storage or Manage Storage. Check the available storage. If it's low, free up space by deleting unused apps, clearing caches, or moving files to cloud storage or an SD card. Restart your phone after clearing the space. Way 10. Factory reset your device. Go to Settings, System Reset Options. Tap Erase all data. Factory reset phone. Confirm and wait for the reset to complete. Way 11. Contact your phone manufacturer. Search for your brand support page, for example, Samsung, Google, OnePlus. Most manufacturers offer customer service via phone or chat. It often includes support contact details. Locate an authorized repair center near you. Part 3. Fix a frozen phone. Touchscreen Android in the ultimate way. Unlocking a phone can be tricky, often requiring multiple attempts. For a smoother fix, try a reliable tool like Android Repair, known for its effectiveness and safety in non-hardware issues. How to fix frozen screen on Android phone with Android Repair. Step 1. Launch the installed software on your computer and proceed to the System Repair section located on the main interface. Step 2. Connect your Android device to the computer using a USB cable and select the Android Repair option. Review the information presented and click Start. Step 3. Enter the details of your device and click Next. Then, input 00000 and select Confirm. Step 4. To access download mode. For devices with the Home button, turn off your phone. Then simultaneously press the Home, Power, and Volume Down buttons for 10 seconds. Release all buttons, then press Volume Up to enter download mode. For devices without a Home button, turn off your phone, then press the Bixby, Power, and Volume Down buttons for approximately 10 seconds before releasing them. Finally, press Volume Up to access download mode. Step 5. Once you have successfully entered download mode, click Next to download the required firmware. The tool will then begin the process of addressing the frozen issue.